Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Oneplus Nord N100 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic upright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, using a heat gun, apply the heat to soften the glue on the fingerprint button. Take out the back cover and then remove the mid-frame by undoing 18 screws from the top and bottom sections. And then, using a plastic upright tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to separate the plastic clips. Next, unplug the battery connector on the right hand side. Next, take out the not working battery. First loosen the adhesive on the sides and then pull it by the red tab on the right hand side. Next, place the new battery in the body and secure the connector. Next, secure the mid-frame by adding 18 screws and the SIM tray. Make sure the clips are fastened. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.